Welcome to Mel's channel. In this video, I want to explain the health benefits of banana stem. The health benefits of banana stem. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. Here in front of you, we have a banana plant. So these are the leaves. Here is the stem, and there down we have the roots. Mostly of us, we eat the bananas, and some people they eat the banana leaves. Also the banana leaves, they have their health benefits, but people they forgot about this stem. So this stem, in this video I'm going to explain the health benefits of banana stem. The first thing is that banana stem helps in detoxification. So banana stem juice, when you drink it, helps in detoxification of toxins in your body. That is the first benefit. Another benefit is that it helps in prevention of UTI, because banana stem, it is a diuretic, so helps in flushing away of bacteria in the urinary tract system. So help to flush away also those bacteria which cause UTI, help preventing of UTI. And as you know that UTI, it is common in females than in male. Okay, another benefit of this banana stem here is that banana stem helps in prevention of kidney issues, especially the kidney stones. So those small stones which are in the kidney, when you take the banana stem juice, help to flush them away. But if they are big, there it means that you need to seek for more medical help or more medical treatment. Okay, another benefit of banana stem is that when you take a banana stem juice, help in prevention of weight gain. If you want to lose weight, you can take the banana juice and helps in losing weight, because the banana juice helps prevent craving of food. So when you prevent craving of food, especially the fatty foods, also help to prevent gaining of weight. So those are the health benefits of taking banana stem. But we have a precautions of taking banana stem. If you have allergy, don't take banana stem. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.